Hello guys, we got new things from the Nike website. They dropped it off at the Nike store and my dad went to pick it up.
Okay.
And we're going to open it now.
Okay, so now we're going to open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so these are Nike grip socks. Okay, I'm gonna open them now. So these are the Nike grip socks. So these are Nike grip socks, and they're meant to have grips on the bottom so your feet don't slide around in your football boot as much. My brother didn't get one of a pair of these because the size started from 5.5 to 6 in the UK size.
These ones are like shorts. I thought they would be long, like compression, and I thought they would be long like the black ones, but yeah.
Okay, so the compression shorts are meant to be tight around your body, so all the blood can circulate around your legs, and so you won't get injured as much.
And you can run faster
and perform better. And that's what it looks like when it's in the packet. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to try them on. The grip socks now, and see you in a minute. Okay, so now I've put the grip socks on, which are these blue ones. So I'm going to compare them to my yellow City Kit ones. As you can already see, the City Kit ones aren't as good quality as the grip socks, and the grip socks are thinner than the City Kit ones, and they go further up your leg than the City Kit ones, so they're longer. But I'm going to just fold them over like that in the match, well, before the match. And the bottom, the difference between this, here's the difference between the bottoms of them. So, and there are little lines like in between the black and white spots, that are the grippy bits, and you can kind of feel them a bit. So now I'm going to put on my Predator football boots, and you can check that out on the Boy Bandit channel. So now I'm gonna compare them. Okay. So I'm worried that they might be hard to put on because they're really grippy. That wasn't as hard as I expected, but okay. Now we're going to compare them to these ones. Okay, so I'm wiggling my foot around a bit in these, I can't feel much of a difference right now, so I'm just gonna compare it to this to make sure I'm just not like I can't feel the difference. Okay, so these are a bit more slippy, and these are planted in and firm in the shoe, and when you slide your foot around a bit, they don't move place, but these ones are a bit like they rub against the sole and against the sole, the inner bit, and they're kind of sliding side to side and back and forward a bit. These and these ones, they're quite thin, so they're like airy, kind of airy. Like, I think they might be breathable, and these ones, even at the sock, I feel like they're a bit grippier because the bottom of the sock is in place, but this one, it's sliding about, so the top of the ball is like slipping about, so that might be a problem when you're like about to shoot the ball in a match or take a touch or something. But I kind of expected this from a sock that's a lot more expensive than my city socks, because these are just kit socks, they're nothing special, and these I bought separately for my football team when I'm playing, because they have and I got the matching colours with my football team socks as well. I was going to buy the Trusox, but the ones that I wanted in my colour were like up to here, up to like this height, and the long ones up to where the grip socks are were only in the black variation. So but some people cut the sock about around here and then wear the Trusox, but I didn't want to do that because it would probably ruin the socks, and knowing me and my stuff, something bad would probably happen. So I really like the grip socks. I'm probably gonna wear them every match, and I might do a review on them after I've played in them. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.